Hello everyone, welcome back to Staying Local. In this video, we are going to share with you our best experience of snow in Edinburgh. We have come to the Bonally Country Park. Our plan is to hike up to the Bonally Reservoir from here. The Bonally Country Park is a part of the Pentlands Regional Park. It is a great place for hiking or cycling. After some heavy snowfall in the last few days, today's sunshine is making this place no less than heaven. I have never seen so much snow before. Following this way, we are walking up to the Bonally Reservoir. You can see a few hikers over there, hiking up another hill. We often come to the Pentlands, and this place is very green throughout the year. But this time of the year, this place is looking so different, it's beyond imagination. Walking through the snow like this feels amazing, believe me. Look at the various wonderful formations of the snow. We reached the Bonally Reservoir. It's fully frozen. People are skating over the lake. This is not Norway, dear friends. This is Edinburgh. And it's unbelievable. From here, we can see a beautiful view of the snow-covered city, the faraway snow-covered mountains, the ocean, and the Arthur seat. plans to visit the Switzerland this year, but unfortunately that got cancelled. And then this happened in Edinburgh. We are having lunch with this incredible view. Time for some more hike after the lunch. Shadows are getting longer and it's time to go home now. But before that, a few fun moments. This was one of our memorable days from the last winter. Let us know how you felt about this video in the comment section. Stay connected with our channel for more outdoor videos of Scotland and Edinburgh. Thanks for watching.